Now, he's been given 35 years for 166 lives that were lost. A Chicago court pronounced the much-awaited sentencing for the 26/11 plotter and Lashkar-e-Taiba operative David Coleman Headley. The quantum of the sentence was made lighter in exchange for Headley's cooperation during this trial. But India is far from satisfied, with the External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid reiterating India's stand that Headley must be tried in India, and India will continue to press for his extradition.
This is a beginning. Of course, our request and demand was that we try him in our own country, and I think that possibly that would have been more serious and severe sentencing. But 35 years sentencing, and what the judge has said is a beginning. We understand there are legal procedures in the United States of America. But nevertheless, the position that we have and the request that we have made remains intact. But at the same time, it's a beginning that has been made, and I think going by what the judge has said, this should go a long way in hopefully conveying a very clear message that the kind of things that have been going on in the past will not be tolerated, and that they will be made accountable in a substantial way. Thank you.
ये जो प्ली बार्गेन उन्होंने एंटर किया है कि एक्सट्रेडिशन नहीं होगा, ये उन लोगों के बीच में है. हम लोगों का रिक्वेस्ट एक्सट्रेडिशन का रहेगा. हम लोगों का एक्सट्रेडिशन का रिक्वेस्ट पेंडिंग है और वो हम लोग प्रेस करेंगे. उसका कारण यह है कि जिस कॉन्स्पिरेसी का ये हेडली भाग था, वो कॉन्स्पिरेसी सिर्फ बॉम्बे तक ही नहीं थी, और भी प्लेसेस उसने रेकी किया था. तो उसके बारे में ये और हम लोगों को जानकारी चाहिए. तो आवर रिक्वेस्ट फॉर एक्सट्रेडिशन स्टैंड्स एंड वी शैल कंटिन्यू प्रेसिंग इट. नंबर 1. As far as the sentence itself is concerned, our view has been that all those people who were involved in the conspiracy to kill 165 people in Mumbai, all of them deserve death. That has been our consistent stand with all countries.
The US Federal Court has convicted Headley and given him imprisonment for 35 years. Well, it's the federal law of United States which has punished him. And I believe this punishment is for the 6 Americans who were killed in India. Well, it is their conviction. We don't have to say anything about it. But the question arises that act of violence and crime had taken place in India when the attack took place in Mumbai in 2008. And more than 145 people were killed. One of the accused was Kasab, who was caught, who was convicted, and he was hung. There was a death penalty given to him. It's for the crime committed in India. And it's a time that now Headley should be handed over to India for trial of the rest of the people who were killed in India and brutally massacred. The conviction has to take place in India. It's a partial judgment. It's a judgment based on US laws for US citizens who were killed in India. We want justice for all those who were killed in India.